Spring packs are critical wear components in your folder. Over time, they lose tension, which can lead to uneven clamping, inaccurate bends, and added strains on other parts. That's why we recommend replacing spring packs every 2 years. Proactive replacement helps keep your machine running accurately, consistently, and without surprise downtime. Why it matters: maintain consistent clamping force and bend accuracy, reduce stress on surrounding components, avoid unplanned breakdowns and production delays. CIDAN OEM spring packs are designed for dependable, long-term performance you can trust. Ready to stay ahead of wear? Schedule your spring pack replacement, plan a PM visit, or talk with our service team today. If you'd like to learn more about how CIDAN Machinery Group can help your business grow, please call or email us for additional information. You can reach us at our Parts Direct support line, our Service Direct support line, or you can email or create a support ticket at support-us@cidanmachinery.com.